let's talk about food allergy versus food intolerance. In both the problems, when we eat certain food, we have certain symptoms. But how to differentiate between both of them? So food allergy is basically body's immune system reaction to particular food. The symptoms can be vary from simple pain in stomach to vomiting, diarrhea, sometimes hives, urticarial rashes, skin itching. It may be breathing difficulty to even severe anaphylactic life-threatening reactions. So here the symptoms can be of digestive, or it can be respiratory symptoms like cough, cold, breathing difficulty. It can be on the skin like skin hives or itching, or it can be anaphylactic reaction like low BP or sudden palpitations, increase in heart rate. Those severe reaction can happen. But if we see food intolerance, this is basically not an immune system reaction. It's basically only causes digestive system symptoms. So like if you eat or drink like some paneer or milk products and you have uneasiness, gastric discomfort, abdominal distension or diarrhea, so it can be lactose intolerance. So that is food intolerance example. So food intolerance can happen because of various reasons, like if you don't have the enzyme to digest that particular food. Example is lactose intolerance. When we don't have adequate lactase enzymes in our intestines, we may develop symptoms of lactose intolerance. If we are suffering from irritable bowel syndrome, certain foods can cause abdominal cramps or diarrhea or sometimes constipation because of irritable bowel syndrome. But here food is trigger and mostly digestive symptoms. And sometimes we have certain food additives in the particular dish, and those food additives, because they have a lot of chemicals in it, body may react and you may feel nausea, vomiting, diarrhea or cramps, but that's because of food additive effects. And certain foods like in dry fruits, or sometimes some chemicals are there, sulfites are there, so body reacts to it. So that is food intolerance. Now why we need to differentiate both? Because food allergic reactions sometimes can be life threatening also. So we should always go to the expert to differentiate whether you are dealing with food intolerance or food allergy.